All right, just getting here, guys. Let's go see what we got going on. Work on the Mustang today. Wax it all up, shine it up, continue the cleaning, the process. Starting to shine. Shine, shine, shine. And it look like a brand new car. A brand new car that's 30 years old. We'll open up the hood on it. She's looking good under here. Looking good. Body's looking good. The paint's looking good. Everything is looking really nice on this car. It's gonna do the wheels. Did one wheel in the front. We're gonna do the other wheels. Did the roof. Just put it back, open, close the back up, stretch it back out. It's nice and white. Seats are looking really good. Seats are looking really good. A lot better than what I thought they were gonna. Seats are looking really good. This car is really coming along. All shined up. Under the hood is looking really good. Getting all shined up. Everything is looking good. Even the driver's seat starting to look really good considering how dirty it was. Look at that. Man, oh man, that came out really good. Really good. Really nice. Now we're going around. Took the rubber off for the trunk. Just cleaning this up. Like we're saying, look at the pockets. Pockets look really nice on this. Shined up the tailpipes. So you got your marking here from the factory. Alright, just taking the drum off. We're gonna look inside there, see what it looks like. Just took this tire off right here. Hope you guys can see. This is a 2008, 37th week of 2008. This tire was made. Brand new from then. Still got your, see your green tab there. Dirty inside. I'm gonna clean that all up. Alright, let's look see. Alright, here we are. On the brakes. Hey, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys and girls. Look at those. We took the drum off. Look at these markings here. See those markings? Yellow, red, or orange. Look how nice and blue that is. Can you see in the back there? Can you see in the back that white mark? Look at that. Let me put that light up there. We got another one, another little yellow one here. I don't know if you guys can see that on the brake cylinder. See, there's a yellow mark right there. Got another yellow one right here. Another one right here. Isn't that something? Not every day you see stuff like that. I think we got a number 4 right here. Look, there's an X right here. or a Ford or something written right there. Some kind of little mark. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Original brake pads. Isn't that something? Those are the brake pads that are marked like that. So don't forget, you guys, like I've said, you guys want to see something. You guys want to see something on here. Original markings. If you guys are rebuilding one of these and you want to do it for show quality, you guys just have to write us. Comment and let us know. All right, let's keep going under this. See the undercoating. See, they did it quick back in the day. You can see the marks everywhere. All right, let's keep going. We'll keep looking, see if there's anything else we can see. As we're looking here on the drum, see there's a little mark right there on the drum. See that mark? Another one right there. It's up and stamped here. Got something stamped right here too. Some kind of a marking of something. Oh, look, got some, look right here. You got a marking right there. You got a blue right there. Oh, babe, look at that. All right, we'll continue. All right, here we are. I just cleaned up this wheel. See, this wheel's all nice and clean here. Did the inside. That wheel looks really good. All right, so we'll go over. Gonna go over work on the other side. I'll do the other wheel in the back. We'll get that one off right here. All right, I'm gonna take this wheel off. We're gonna start going through everything. We're gonna clean up the whole inside of this wheel, like what we did on the other side. Gonna start going through the brakes, like what we did on the other side. Look to see if we can find any markings. We can see already we see some inside here. We're gonna clean everything up like we did on the other side. We have more marking over there. On the gas tank, right there. Look, we got some markings right here on the shock. So we'll go through all this and we'll see what we can find. All right, we cleaned it up here a bit, so you'll be able to see. Hey, look at those marks there, there and there. Look on the pad. See those colors right there on the pad? Almost look like it's fake. Those are original pads. Look at that. See that marking in the back there? See that marking? The marking on the shock. Get the marking on the master cylinder, brake cylinder right there. I don't know if you can see it under. Catching a little bit of that. We got some kind of a mark of some kind right there. Here too. See these marks? See the green right there? Look at the paint mark here. There. You got some kind of a stamping. It's AC. Something like that. Looks like AC. Yeah, some paint there here. 22 or 2Z. Some more numbers here. I guess that's what you call an original car. Alright, we'll start cleaning up under here. Going through here, looking at everything. Clean it up like on the other side. Alright, I'll show you guys as we get a little bit more done. Alright, so as I was showing you guys, see all those markings there? Got one there. I don't know if you saw a little while ago, but there was a marking on the differential. It was still the sticker. I'll go show you guys. See that sticker right there? It says 215A. And I'll show you guys underneath. I don't know if we can see it. The original straps. Talked to you guys about that before. And on the differential, now we got good lighting in here. And we're still having a hard time seeing everything. Alright guys. So don't forget, you guys. Whatever you guys want to see, or if you guys can tell me where there's some markings, something to look for, because I don't know everything about these cars. I don't even know half the things you guys do. You guys out there know a lot more than I do. So you guys let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And comment. Give us some comments on what anything you're looking at, or if you have one of these cars. Maybe you got one of these cars. And there's something that you want to just tell me about it. Something you enjoy. Because I bought my first one like this over 30 years ago. Over 30 years ago I bought the first one. And I haven't had any for 30 years because I had a family. And the family goes before the cars. And now the kids are in college, I can get some of these things. Alright, so you guys don't forget, like and subscribe and let us know. Take care.